So I came and I noticed this. My car won't turn on, but there is a leak, obviously. So I'm thinking it's that pan right there. And there's a hole. Looks like there's oil right there. Obviously. Put it up closer. I put Marvel Mystery Oil, so I wonder if it's leaking. And see, that is all red. And over there, same thing. Also, I don't know if this has anything to do with it, but can someone tell me if this is good or not? It looks rotting. Okay, so this is the engine and stuff. So I noticed I wiped it down, but so there's gunk on this power steering. Let's go over here. I don't know if that's having anything to do right there. I don't know if you could, let me see if I can get the lighting. So one of the, I don't know if it's an injector. Actually, yeah, you can see it. So I wanted to note that that is leaking, or so if you, I don't know what it is, and tell me if this is supposed to be here. I think it's factory warranty or something like that. It's just, maybe that is the problem. I can't tell. Nothing looks ripped. Oh, so technically this was ripped, but and I put a little tape. I don't think that's fixing it though. But these, cleaned them, but it's dirty. Trying to, what's that one? I noticed that this one, oh, now it's nice and tight, but before, see, that it's not a good sign. Nothing feels loose. Battery's new and working. Maybe vacuum leak not allowing it. I'm gonna try and start it, and I'm gonna leave the phone so you can hear. Okay, let's go underneath to see if anything. Look underneath. Alright, I'm gonna pause and I'll be right back. Let me know how bad everything is. Wish I can auto zoom and focus in on this oil. All that crud over there. While I was under here, I noticed, tell me if that's broken, that motor mount. Pretty sure that's broken. I need a hike. Nothing else that I noticed. So I noticed this is very rusted, but I don't think this will prevent it from starting. So sorry, I'm trying to do this upside down. So there's leaking right there. So I noticed everything from this part going all the way down is all oily as well. Then we go further there, continues. Try to see if I can throw all this. And this is the passengers, technically. Passenger wheel right here. Alright, welcome. This is a 1990 Camry with 122,000 miles. It won't turn on. And I'm gonna try it and let me know what you guys think it is. I'm gonna show you the turning on from the inside, the sound. Then I will go on the outside, put my phone on the outside so then you can hear it. Alright. I'm not used to the seatbelt. Jesus, look at that. Alright, I'm gonna try it now. Alright. So what do you think that is?